Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, good morning, everybody. As we talked about at the top of the show, we're tracking a few showers into far eastern Kentucky right now, but most of us are still dry here. Here's what we got right now on the radar. What you see is, yes, some isolated showers, southern parts of Leslie County, just off to the east of Perry County. So it's very close there, and those go over into Letcher County this morning. But these are all moving due east, eventually going to lift on out of here entirely and move away from our viewing area. All right, here's the home view across central and southern Kentucky this morning. Lexington and Paris were overcast, but you can see a little bit of fog here in Lexington. Some of that fog, look at that valley fog here. The airport's just down the road here from Lake Cumberland Regional Hospital, and that's where most of that fog is showing up. That's why in just a moment, when I show you the visibility map, there's going to be a huge difference from what we're seeing right here in front of the hospital, which is not bad. I mean, it's not really going to be impactful to what you get when you get down to the airport, which right there at the airport's 1/8 of a mile visibility. So it's a huge difference than what most of you will actually see. There is fog out there. It will impact some of you, but it's really kind of patchy dense. I think a lot of areas it's just light in nature, not a huge problem. We've got clouds blowing off the tops of these big storms back to the west. This line of storms was weakening back to the west, but in the last couple of hours here, it started to strengthen again as it's rolled east of St. Louis. It's looking more and more likely that that line of storms is going to hold together and roll in here as we get toward midday and into the afternoon. So, all right, as soon as midday, it could start impacting some of our far western communities. Here's the outlook from the Storm Prediction Center for today. A level 3 risk in this orange shade. All right, that's Lexington, that's Frankfort, that's Versailles, that's points north and west of Lexington. Elsewhere, the remainder of our area is pretty much in a level 2 risk. We go into the day tomorrow. The entire state is a level 3 risk out of 5. So again, 5's the highest risk, 3 right there in the middle. All right, so when we're talking about severe threats and the timing for today, what are we talking about? This afternoon through the overnight. I know it's a large time period there, but we could see 2 kind of distinct waves of showers and storms. Those from that line that's back to the west coming in after lunchtime and into the afternoon, and then we could get a second wave coming in late evening and overnight. Threats from that, damaging winds, highest threat, so is large hail, followed by tornadoes, all right? A level 2 out of 4 on this scale. Lowest threat is going to be for flooding. All right, severe threats tomorrow afternoon through Thursday morning. Damaging wind threat high, tornado threat medium, hail threat medium high, and flooding threat is medium. Today, be weather aware. PM scattered storms, some of those severe. Showers and storms likely again tonight. Some could be strong or severe. Make sure you absolutely have the Fox 56 weather app. It is a great tool. You need to have multiple ways to get weather information. A weather app from the Fox 56 Weather Authority, a weather radio that's going to alert you. Severe threat again tomorrow, Thursday. The storms around in the morning, then we're drying out in the afternoon. Maybe some spotty showers on Friday, but overall the trend will be much cooler. And then we head into Mom's Day and maybe still a few scattered showers.